आप लोग हिले हुए होते हो इसीलिए हिलाते रहते हो या हिलाते रहते हो इसीलिए हिले हुए हो?
बॉलीवुड में जब भी दोस्ती यारी की बात होती है तो दिमाग सीधा ZNMD या दिल चाहता पे चले जाता है. We have hardly ever seen iconic portrayals of female friendships, but we're in for a treat because that changes now. Amazon Prime Video's 4 More Shots comes as a breath of fresh air in the Indian digital space. Here are a few things that this show nails about adult friendships. Number 1. मजाक उड़ाना इज मैंडेटरी. दोस्ती की स्ट्रेंथ इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू आप एक दूसरे की कितनी बैंड बजाते हो. इफ यू एवर ट्रिप एंड फॉल डाउन, इट्स योर फ्रेंड्स ड्यूटी टू लाफ फर्स्ट एंड ओनली देन पिक यू अप. Be it Anjana becoming sexually active again or Damini being confused between two guys, this series shows that your friends will first laugh at it and only then dissect your life's problems. Even in the new season, when Siddhi ends up paying a bomb to an escort, her friends have a blast laughing at her expense before eventually consoling her.
But Sidhu, at least you had the big fun!
Number 2. Friends are your life's motherboard. Life में कुछ भी legendary नहीं होता unless your friends are there to see it. They'll always be there to support you and validate your decisions. Despite their shaky past, अगर अंजना को अब काव्या से कोई problem नहीं है, then her friends are also supposed to be pally with Kavya. Period. And it's not just the personal stuff. बॉस को गाली देनी हो या अपने फेलिंग करियर पे शॉट्स मारने हो, your friends will always be by your side.
Shots!
For example, Siddhi को हमेशा से self doubts थे because of her mom. But in this new season, she's finally found a knack for something, stand-up comedy, and her friends are there to support her.
No one's going to publish your book, Damini.
Is it that bad?
It's a great book. It's too controversial.
Damini has written a very controversial book जो शायद publish नहीं होगी. But जब तक उसके दोस्त उसके साथ खड़े हैं, she'll keep fighting. 3. Friends can be found even in your 30s. When I was young, someone told me कि जैसे दोस्त हम कॉलेज में बनाते हैं ना, वैसे दोस्त हम लाइफ में कभी नहीं बनाते. पर when adulting hits you ना, बहुत चीजें बदल जाती हैं. Friends change, people change, their ideologies change. ऐसे में sometimes you meet someone in your office or at a random bar और वो हमारे best buddies बन जाते हैं. There's something that just clicks. अब वो दारू की choice हो या history with boys हो. Maybe that was one of the reasons why Umang, Anjana, Damini and Siddhi met at a random bar and became lifelong friends. This show is a case in point that अच्छे दोस्त होने के लिए बचपन के दोस्त होना जरूरी नहीं है. Number 4. 2 is company, but 4 is a party. कहते हैं more the merrier, and it totally applies to a girl gang. Having a best friend is cool and all, but having a group of 4 is downright awesome. I know आपको शायद लगता हो that there's only one best friend, but bachelorette या vacation पे क्या सिर्फ एक दोस्त को लेकर जाओगे? Would Istanbul be the same fun had only Umang gone to look for Siddhi alone? क्या उमंग की ग्रैंड उदयपुर वाली वेडिंग बिना सारे दोस्तों के सेम होती? क्या दामिनी की बर्थडे ट्रिप इतनी मेमोरेबल होती अगर सिर्फ वो एक दोस्त के साथ गई होती? Different people in the group have different equations. One will be your joke buddy, one will be your serious talk buddy, and one will be your drinking buddy. So having a group is just better. Number 5. Having fallouts is completely fine. दोस्ती में misunderstandings और miscommunications are super normal. आधी बार तो टेक्स्ट के टोन समझने में लड़ाई हो जाती है. अगर लाइफ के पहले सीजन में लड़ाई करके सेकंड सीजन में reconcile नहीं किया, तो your friendship still has a long way to go. At the start of the new season, the girls haven't spoken to each other properly in a while.
And suddenly मोटा के इस्तानबुल चले जाएं.
इस्तानबुल है, अंधेरी नहीं कि टैक्सी लेके पहुंच गए.
और वहाँ जाके उसे ढूंढेंगे कैसे? बॉस्फोरस के हर ब्रिज में जाके सिद्धि सिद्धि चिल्लाएंगे.
But when they find out that Siddhi इस्तानबुल में suicide करने निकली है, they all just abandon everything and go to find her. To hell with baggage, दोस्ती is more important. देखो, if the foundation is strong, then these rough patches only make you stronger. और ये बात शो में काफी seamlessly दिखाई गई है. It's almost cathartic to see these 4 women deal in modern day friendships the way they actually are. इस शो में friendships इतनी relatable और realistic हैं कि आपको लगता है चारों actual में शायद इतने close होंगे. It's for everyone to see that आजकल दोस्तों के बिना कुछ नहीं है यार.
Maybe it's time to take the steering wheel, step on that accelerator and drive that fucking car
Straight to the finish line.
When it's time to take the steering wheel and drive straight to the finish line, your friends are going to be the fellow passengers in that very car. So watch the new season of 4 More Shots please on Amazon Prime Video to have a blast. And for more such videos, subscribe to India Times.